It's a historical moment, and also the people think that they want to have a change. Actually, the Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala. If the capital administration is to be changed, means the Kerala, the general public will open their door to a new regime in Kerala. This is as far as the NDA is concerned, it is a historical moment, and also they will get all strength to move forward and capture the administration of Kerala state itself. Definitely a clean, green administration. Clean and green administration. So the people should get the justice and also administration for the development of the Trivandrum city. That is the utmost priority in this administration of the corporation here in Trivandrum.